Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing and the full review of this really unique looking earbuds which I had purchased from Meesho. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, this is the earbuds I got from Meesho for around 560 rupees. It does not come from any brand. As you can see, there is no branding mentioned. At the back there is only this T12 Max mentioned. And when I received this package, this plastic was already open, so I think it was in a used condition. So now let's quickly open this up and see what's inside. So guys, on opening the box you get to see the earbuds itself, and you also get this type A to type C charging cable. So yeah, it comes with type C charging, which is really great. So guys, now coming to the earbuds itself, it comes in this neon green variant. As you can see, at the bottom you get to see the type C charging, and here are the two earbuds. Let me take it out. So yeah, as you can see, there is this blue light blinking, which is indicating that now it's in discoverable mode. And when you're putting this back in the case, this red indicates charging, and there is also this left and right charging indicator at the top, and at the bottom you get to see the battery percentage of the case. This earbud supports Bluetooth 5.3 and the company claims that the battery backup of these earbuds is around 20 hours. Now coming on my conclusion on this product, I think this product is really great for the price for which it comes at below 600 rupees, and I think the sound and the bass quality is decent considering the price of this product. You can really buy this product for its uniqueness. The design of this earbuds is really unique, and if you have liked this product you may buy this one, and I will be giving a link in the description box below from where you can buy it. And if you have liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more such videos. Thanks for watching.